Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just the other day, I made a video and my mentor, macro mentor, Eskimo, suggested that I use the blend tool. A lot of times I try to stay away from a macro in some situations just to let people know how to do it without macros. But this macro is free, uh, donated to the community of Corel for anybody to use, and it's so simple. It's called Circles on a Curve. And I made videos on this, but I used this exact same bind the other day. So with it clicked, I'm going to make it half inch or 0.1 inch circles, spaced 0.2 apart, and I'm going to create circles. And voila, it not only does it work better than the blend tool, because in every case that I can find, it puts it at the start and the end of the curves. So they're perfect. And you can change that, in a split second, go, let's make the distance 0.4. And you've got half as many as you did before. You don't have to tell it how many like in the blend tool. This could be very, very helpful. The other thing I kind of like about it is that you can grab the dots out of the way and now make them whatever color you want. If you want them black and even a black outline, and you've got more so what that gentleman was wanting the other day. I would put a link to his macro on this macro, and it's really easy to download. There's several videos on his blog, and I have some videos on how to put it into your system. And it's free and easy to use, and it does a lot more than that I went through the other day on it. But that's pretty cool. Let's do one more and actually change the size of the dots to 0.2, double the size. And now they're twice as big, but spaced out perfectly. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.